Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add a dynamic dropdown to your Jotform. To get started, head over to jotform.com and sign in to your account. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the form you want to edit and open it in the Form Builder. On the left side, click the Add Elements tab, then switch to the Widgets section. In the search bar, type Dynamic Dropdowns, and when the widget appears, simply drag and drop it into your form wherever you want it to appear. After placing the widget, a Settings panel will open on the right, allowing you to customize the drop-down levels and options to create an interactive, multi-step selection experience. Once you finish adding your options, click Update to save your changes. Finally, switch to Preview Form to test how the dynamic dropdown works in real time. And that's all you need to do to add a dynamic dropdown to Jotform. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials for more Jotform tips.